Understanding I Am Cooperation and Harmony Award. The I Am Cooperation and Harmony Award celebrates individuals and organizations that bring people together through creativity and the arts within the Black community. This category recognizes those who advocate for and develop systems that support artists, performers, and organizers who use their talents to create joy, entertainment, and further our social development. It honors efforts that contribute to personal, family, and community enjoyment and cohesion. The essence of I Am Cooperation and Harmony lies in the belief that creativity and collaboration are vital for building vibrant and unified communities and moving us forward. Nominate a hero at HigherSelfAwards.org.